how I could have improvised, and so on. And also, knowing what your kryptonite is. I'm no Superman, but you know what? Everybody has their kryptonite, something which you should stay away from. Uh, for me, it's retail stocks. Uh, Retail stocks, oil and gas stocks, um, gold and silver stocks. Those are all my kryptonites. I've got a whole lot of kryptonites out there. So let's take a look. I'm down for the day, negative 54. Not a big deal. Whole bunch of trades, right? Right off the bat, first trade I took was on ALXN. So took a bunch of trades actually on ALXN. Sometimes it looks like it's gonna go, sometimes it doesn't. So let's see what's going on. Apparently there was some news on ALXN about they're not gonna be reviewed on some filing and all what they did. I don't really care what news it is. All I want to see is price action, what it's going to do. So if you look at this stock has been a big range bound stock. It's only recently that it actually, let's take a look, draw some lines. How is that drawing lines out here? So I mean, with this big range, yesterday was an up move, and today was a big follow through candle, right? So what was I looking at? I was looking at this 5 minute chart. Um, excuse me. So I was looking to play the opening range break. After the first push up, it pulled back. So I was looking at this 139.50 level for if it were to break 139.50, that's when I got in. So I actually got a crappy price of 139.68 at 9.52 and then bailed out at 139.04. So thought process is big push up from 133 all the way to 139, $6 move. Right now it's $100 stock, so $6 move is still a pretty decent move. 6% move, so on. So moved up $6 and had a sideways consolidation. Uh, One of the reasons I think the trade didn't really work out was firstly it was a third green bar. Secondly, the pullback wasn't really that steep, right? So even though it's a flag pattern, there's certain flag patterns which work and certain some of them which just doesn't work, and this is one of them. So third green candle on the breakout, not a steep pullback. Uh, Took my loss on there. So right off the bat, I got a loss of about 64, $65, whatever it is, $66 with commissions. Next trade I look at is KSS, which is my nemesis, or so AKA Kryptonite. Retail stocks are super hard to trade, just hard to trade. Just how it is. Uh, so I entered at 10:08 at 42.56. Let's see, 10:08. So 10:08 was somewhere around here at 42.56. When I thought that this is kind of flagging and looks like it can roll over and break this 42.50 level, that's when I got in. Now keep in mind, if the stock is more than 10% down, you cannot short the bid. You need to be trading on the up move. That's one of the reasons why I preempted this trade, think that if it goes through 40 to 50, I'm gonna get a bad fill, so let me get in before. So as it flushes through, I would be able to get some profits in. Uh, but voila, you know what happened. Got in at 10:17. Sorry, this is the 10:08, and right at 10:17, it actually I took myself out. 10:17 candle was this candle. This wick is what I'm like. You know what? Got in a crappy price and gave myself 15-20 cents room. Uh, Guess there's kind of a bit too tight, but retail stocks are just crappy names to trade. So got stopped out, and just when I got stopped out, it came right back down again. So I had my second loss for the day. Also the 20-30 cents. So overall, it's down about $100 or something. Next move I saw was again on KSS. Sometimes you just never learn in life. Um, Short again at 10.52, which is 42.21. 10.52. So this one is actually a better trade, right? Shorted Stanford, so shorted in this very candle. One thing which I didn't do good is I need to be a bit more patient in life. Uh, I got a crappy price, 100%. Look at this. The low on this candle is 42.20. My entry was 42.20, so I got the low of this damn candle. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, I'm a fast trader. If I get in, I need to see some fast results. I don't want to sit around, and it's a lot of mental stamina which I don't really have. Um, so I sat around almost for 20-30 minutes, right? So I got in on this candle, and these two candles just freaking uh, I just got exhausted, mentally exhausted looking at these two damn candles. And when it popped up, it actually came lower. Sorry, came lower on this one, 42.12. So after it broke through the 42.10s, look at this. The high on this is 42.13. I bailed out at 42.12. This is what it is. Um, Two things I could have done is wait for a more proper entry, or second, trade even smaller than what I'm trading right now, right? So I literally got out on this tick, on this up move, and then the stock started to tank, right? So poor trade management by me, poor entry. Stock is 10% down, always gives a crappy entry, no matter what kind of stock it is, and if it's a retail stock, it becomes even harder. And now so ALXN again. Now ALXN is two things. Made two trades on it. I'll show you two trades. It was just right after the thing, right? So this is when I was looking at this ALXN. Wake up move, pulled back, made this move. So I was looking at, you know what, this stock can actually break this 140s, and now we will gotta get some decent run on it, 100%. But I was a bit early. Show you why. I got in at 12:39 at 139.55. And this is at this very candle, 12:35, right? So in this candle I got in. Just when I got in, this shit actually rolled over, right? Good thing is, I stopped myself out at 139, and once I saw this thing come right back up, uh, right? You see this ALXN come right back up and over to the 139.75. You know what? I re-entered. Sometimes you just need to know you need to re-enter. Uh, I re-entered at 139.75 on this very candle at 1 o'clock candle. Let's see, 103. Yep, at the 1 o'clock candle, and boom, boom, boom. It went up three candles. Best case scenario, I should have stopped out. I should have made some profits, out of the top, but I feel the commitments going on in life. Um, so I got on this candle on 115 candle, right? 120. So actually not even on that candle. I got on this candle. Right? So overall, not the brightest of the day, but you know what? Kept my losses small, so I'd always had the opportunity to make a comeback. It's not that I took a lot of loss, right? For example, ALXN lost about $60. Again, KSS lost another $40-50. KSS made some gain on it. Should have made more on it. I mean, because this stock went all the way to 41.60 something. ALXN, again, this one kind of ran away from me, about $70 loss, and then I had one big move of about $70. Oh, sorry, a move of over $1.20. So know your kryptonite, what it is, and hopefully I do better tomorrow and close the week strong. If you like my videos, give me a follow on StockTwits or Twitter at WatchlistStock, or email me at swatchlist@gmail.com. Guys, if you like my video, feel free to subscribe to my videos and like my videos. Adios.